Hey everyone, it's Robert over at Bloomington Acura Subaru. Today I'm going to show you how to open your gas door on this 2025 Subaru Crosstrek. So what they changed when they went to the new generation of Crosstrek is they no longer have a little gas flipper lid right here in the corner like they used to. So for those of you who are getting new Crosstreks that have had them in the past, you'd be familiar with the little pull lever right here. The way that's changed is as long as the car is unlocked, just go to your gas door, push it in, and it pops right out. Now, one thing if you didn't know, if you take off the lid, is it actually has a little spot for it right here. So that way you don't have to have the gas lid dangling down, scratching any paint, scuffing anything, just leave it right in the spot. And when you tighten it, just make sure you tighten it till it clicks. So ready? So just that one click. Regular 87 unleaded is what's recommended for the vehicle. And to close it, just push it in. Now, if the doors are locked, your gas lid will not open. A little safety mechanism there. So as long as your doors are unlocked, you can open it. So if you are struggling with it, just make sure your doors are unlocked. I hope you guys like that quick little video talking about how to unlock the gas door on that Crosstrek. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. If there's any videos you'd like to see, please let me know. Thanks so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe.